EPL, Chelsea in talk with Ancelotti as Antonio Conte's replacement. Chelsea has entered talks with former boss, Carlo Ancelotti, about a possible return to the club. The Italian was dismissed by the club's owner Roman Abramovich at the end of the 2010-11 campaign after finishing his second season in charge without a trophy. According to Gazzetta dello Conte's future at Stamford Bridge has been in doubt since the summer following reports of a fractured relationship with Chelsea's hierarchy. With several decisions at the club not going his way, Conte is not happy, especially with the sale of Nemanja Matic to Manchester United and the club's failure to sign Rajan Angolan and Fernando Llorente. The newspaper reports on Wednesday that Ancelotti's main desire is to return to the Premier League, and he has already been approached by both Chelsea and Arsenal. Ancelotti has won the Premier League and FA Cup in his first season at Chelsea, and is currently out of work after being sacked by Bayern Munich at the end of September. The 58-year-old is also of the favourites to replace Gianpiero Ventura as Italy boss following their failure to qualify for next year's World Cup in Russia.